Hello people, today we are tackling a famous coding interview challenge named fizzbuzz. Fizzbuzz is a group word game for children to teach them about division. Players take turns to count incrementally, replacing any number divisible by 3 with the word fizz, and any number divisible by 5 with the word buzz, and any number divisible by both 3 and 5 with the word fizzbuzz. The way to make it is very simple. First, we can take a variable as our input, but we have to make sure it is an integer because the game requires numbers only. We can use a for loop to count up to our number. We have to add 1 to our number because for loops start counting at 0. We have to first check if they are both divisible by 3 and 5, using the mod function to return the remainder of I. If it is 0, it is divisible by both. Now we have to do this first because computers read code top to bottom, and if the number passes the first check, the computer follows through and doesn't check if it is divisible by both. We can repeat these steps for the rest of the checks and leave the else blank, because there are no other checks. We can also check if our input is an integer by using a try and except function. We have to put the except statement at the end because if you try x, and it doesn't work, x will be undefined. Thank you for watching.